Hi, friends. Earlier, I had spoken to you about one of the best gifts ever, smile. This time, it's going to be about yet another precious, priceless gift acknowledgement, appreciation, compliment, feedback. Remember your school days? Huh? Well, even now, whenever children accomplish something big or small, teachers reward them with a pat on their back or with claps or stars or stickers. Children proudly show off their stars to their parents, whose faces too radiate with joy. See how a small gesture goes a long way in spreading cheer among so many. Compliments are truly motivating. This is true not only in the case of children, but also with adults who too need some encouragement at every stage of life. At the workplace, whenever a team member thinks out of the box and comes up with a suggestion, it would be great if the teammates and more importantly, the team leader acknowledges his effort and encourages him with his appreciation. This will motivate him as well as the others to perform better. Now I'll move on to social media. Why do people share photos, videos, and individual performances? Of course, for the enjoyment of others and also to pocket a few compliments in the bargain. Whatever be the reason, there is a lot of scope for spreading good cheer and happiness. And also, in return, they get reassurance and motivation. Some recipients promptly send a feedback or at least hit the like button to contributors of original pieces. This acknowledgement takes just a moment, but it goes a long way in boosting the morale and confidence of the sender. Now, I have this friend of mine, A, who bombards me with her forwards and even expects me to give my feedback on the performances of Tom, Dick, or Harry, who I never know. But when I send her my original contributions, she never sends a comment. Once, along with my post, I unabashedly mentioned, "Your valuable feedback will be appreciated." Still not a word. So now I have also become tight lipped about her forwards. Of course, I cannot be taken for granted forever. And this is the norm of the world. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. On the other hand, I have this friend of mine, B, who is my friend on the music app Smule. Usually, Smule singers acknowledge and appreciate their collaborators. Once she noticed that for a particular collab, I had hit the like and also the thank you buttons in my comment for a co singer whose performance was not exactly up to the mark. She contacted me and asked me how I could do that. I explained that the like was for the attempt, the time and effort involved, and the thank you was for honoring my invite and joining. She was honest enough to admit that she had never thought about thanking her co singers. Next morning, she called me up to say that she had sat up the whole night acknowledging the performances of her co singers. Cute, right? There is yet another category of respondents in chat groups, and they are the ones who are partial and selective in their feedback. And these are the worst offenders, believe me. There is no written code of conduct about social media, but we can definitely follow certain norms in order to spread joy and goodwill. One doesn't need a big heart or a broad mind to appreciate the performances of genuine contributors. Just the spirit and the attitude and the generosity to appreciate, which will motivate and encourage them and also help in spreading cheer and amiability. Let's do that, folks. See you. Bye.